No, that's...
Shush, shush, shush. They're on the side of the house, guys.
Yeah.
They're on the back of our house.
Okay.
He's walking around the back of the house. Tina, watch yourself.
I can see him. It's behind the tree now for me, but it's close to the house.
Tina, careful on that door
It's
behind
almost
you.
it's coming in front of the door now.
Oh, he's shooting me, shot me. I took 0 damage still. Holy fuck. Yeah, you shot him multiple times. Oh, thank you.
No, there's another one. I'm chasing.
Another one. It's behind the car. It's behind the car, man.
I'm chasing him. Stay with me, someone.
Coming.
Yeah. If you come on the other side, you're dead, man.
Where?
Oh, I finished my bullets. How is he not dead yet?
Got him. It's Alex, 69.
Holy fuck, how much I shot him. I shot him too fucking much for me not being dead immediately.
Get into a safe position. Well done, guys. Really well done.
It's not only him.
Well, dude, get into a house, man. Yeah, but like, you didn't say nothing, mate, did you? So how could, we don't read minds, mate. Come on. Well, you should have got into a house.